Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the product and marketing news notifications on the Waiter channel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the alerts button in the notifications section. Scroll down and go to the product and marketing news button and just click to the white circle icon at the upper right corner of the screen and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.